Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you a latest update from JNTUH, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University of Hyderabad. So today they have released a very important notification. So before going into the details, if you are new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update from JNTUH. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today on 1st of January 2022, JNTUH have been released an important notification. So let's have a look. JNTUH minimum percentage of attendance is compulsory to write semester end exams for the academic year 2021 to 2022. Dear principals, this is to inform you that for all UG or PG, UG comes under btech bpharm courses, which comes under UG, and PG courses are mtech, mpharm, mba, mca courses for the academic year 2021 to 2022. The minimum percentage of attendance is compulsory to write semester end examinations. So they are declaring that the minimum percentage, that means 65 to 70% attendance is compulsory to write end semester examinations. So the university will compute the promoted and detained list based on uploaded fortnight attendance. Fortnight means 15 days attendance. Your 15 days attendance they'll monitor. They are informing to the principals of our colleges to send the attendance 15 days attendance to JNTUH, so that they'll make a promoted and detained list based on uploaded fortnight, that is 15 days attendance. Based on that, they'll make any promoted or detained list by the colleges. Hence you are advised to upload the fortnight attendance within the given schedule. So this text message is forwarded to all JNTUH colleges, college principals. It comes under JNTUH colleges. They have sent this message in text format so that they'll submit the 15 days attendance to the JNTUH. So on the basis of that attendance, they'll compute and they'll promote and detained list will be uploaded to the college. So this is the latest update, that minimum percentage, that is 65 to 70, in between that attendance is compulsory to write end semester examination, which is coming in the month of April or May. So for that they are saying that minimum percentage of attendance is compulsory. So this is the latest update from JNTUH. What is your opinion on this notification? You can comment down below. So this is the latest update from JNTUH. Hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you found this video informative, then do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.